Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the Outlook attachment file not opening with one click. Let's go start. Go to the file in the already open Outlook. Then click Options. Click on Trust Center. On the right side, click on Trust Center Settings. Then click on Attachment Handling. Turn off Attachment Preview. And click on Attachment and Document Previewer. Turn on all box of file previewing options. Then click OK. Again click OK. Close the Outlook and again open the Outlook. Check your attachment file opening one click. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated video.